Hey, Highlevelers, Rio Daniel here. And yes, I am finishing out this week's training in my beautiful Go High Level sponsored luau shirt with the Highly on it. Right now, I think this will probably be the last video that I do on this particular series, but hey, being serious here. Right now, in this particular video, what I want to do is finalize what we've been talking about this entire week on my YouTube channel. And that is all the people that now have come off the holidays and the Black Friday, the Cyber Monday deals. They've joined High Level and they spent the holidays. 30-day trial is maybe up or going to be expiring soon. And then like, I still don't have everything up and ready to do business. So this is a common problem that I see with a lot of my affiliates that sign up for High Level under me. By the way, just a little plug. If you have not signed up, there is a free 30-day trial link down in the video description below, but you get a ton of bonuses, coaching and things by me. But a common problem that I see is great. Now that I've got this going and I've had my kickoff call, High Level helps you configure a few things that you need to get ready, but really, to be honest, doesn't get your entire business set up because that's really not their job. Their job is to get the basic setup for your account and then provide additional training and resources. And really, High Level relies on us affiliates to help you. That's why they have an affiliate program. They count on us, the affiliates, to help you get what you need up and going through the use of either our experience, your practical business knowledge, things like that, to be able to sit back and help you get up and going. This is the last video series that I'm going to do, and I have something very exciting I want to show you and give to you today, if you'll hang in there with me here. And that is, I'm going to be giving you a free course. And this course, again, it's free. I'm not going to be charging you for it, but it's just going to take you step by step through all the stuff that you need. If you haven't gotten certain things set up in your account, how do you go from joining High Level, getting all your stuff configured, getting your business up and ready to go, start prospecting, determine what it is that you want to sell, all the things that we've been talking about this week. Now, I know prior to this week, if you watched my other videos, if you haven't, by the way, I will link them in the course because I've included that as part of the training. And what that is, we have Saas pricing and plans. That's where you actually determine what it is that you want to sell. That's a very topic that a lot of people get stuck on when they sign up for High Level because there's so many items in here. What exactly do I need to sell? That training I've already given a couple of days ago. Then there's the client onboarding. Great. I sold a client. Now what do I do? How do I get them into the system? How do I begin making money? That was covered again earlier this week as well. What I want to focus on in this week is putting those two pieces and the technical piece, the how to set up all of these components. What components do I need to set up? What should I be looking for? What should I do to make sure that my sub account and my business is set up to be the best that it possibly can to get up and going? And how do I basically test all these things to make sure that everything is up and going? So right now what I've done is I've just created a free course. It's called a 30-day action plan. And the 30-day action plan really just comes along with the 30-day free trial, which, by the way, again, if you're signing up for High Level, definitely sign up for an affiliate that has a 30-day trial. It does have an advantage because if you sign up for High Level directly, they only give you 14 days on their trial. They do extend the 30 days out to us affiliates. So that's just their model of saying, hey, go sign up under an affiliate and let that affiliate, like me, help you get your business up and going, provide some training and some guidance and resources to help you on your way that High Level really does not do. Because again, they're not here to guarantee your business. They're not here to help you completely 100% set things up. They're just here to guide you. So again, I'm hoping this course, I'm going to show this to you here in just a minute, but I'm hoping this course will be of value to you. And it's going to be an ongoing thing here. I'm only going to be releasing the first week. Right now, there still is some work in progress, as you can imagine. Building a course, building all the videos, building all the resources that makes it available to you is very time consuming for me. And I'm trying to get this stuff done to you, but I at least wanted to be able to get something out to you this week. And then I will let you know as time progresses, as we're adding more and more to that thing. I'm hoping to get everything finished up here by the end of January 2025. So right now, let's go ahead and hop into it and take a look at how you can get access to this course and what actually it includes. Let's take a look. Okay, so right now I have included, if you're not familiar with, I have a free course just on High Level, using the High Level system and how it can help make you money. I call it Saas Jumpstart. It's a free training course that I've had for probably over a year now. And right now I'm including this 30-day action plan inside of my Saas Jumpstart course. And we also have a Saas Jumpstart community built inside of High Level. So all of this stuff is really integrated together. So right now, good news. If you're already a member of my Saas Jumpstart course, which you already have the login, you already have access to it. I believe we have, close around 3,000 people in there right now. But right now, if you already have access to it, then you don't need to sign up. All you need to do is log right into the portal, which I will talk about that in a minute, and get access to the free training. And I'm going to show you exactly where that is. Now, if you have not signed up for my Saas Jumpstart course, or if you've never downloaded Snapshots, which, by the way, I offer about half a dozen snapshots in this same community course, and I'm going to show you where those are as well. But all you have to do is go to Saas Jumpstart, and I'll have the link in the description below, saasjumpstart.rayodaniel.com. and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You're going to go ahead and click on the Get Started button, fill out the form. Come on, guys, you know how this works. Fill out the form, and then at that point, it'll actually get you access. You'll start receiving several emails from me, one of which is going to be the portal login and a way of getting your password set up and things like that if you don't already have it. But this is a way to get started. Now, whenever you get the link and the training and so forth, what you're going to do is you're going to, of course, get your password set, or if you already have a login to my community, go ahead and get logged into the community, and this is what you're going to see. This is the Saas Jumpstart community. This is what it looks like. Now, if you're not familiar with this, is a big issue that people keep having, and they keep either sending me emails, text messaging, because they're unfamiliar with how to find the training inside of the communities. Now, I'm choosing to push all of my courses through the community because it's just a very good centralized way to have everybody in the community. And if you have any questions, to be able to ask questions in here and get them answered versus me just sending you out to the membership login where all you just see are the courses and you don't have any way of really interacting with me or with anybody else inside the community. So right now, once you get logged in here, again, the whole point is that once you get logged in, the URL is going to be portal, P-O-R-T-A-L, portal.riodaniel.com. That'll take you to the main page. You're going to either log in with your username and password, or if you're new, you'll have to set your password up. There's a procedure up. I sent you via the email once you sign up on how to do that. It's not that hard. It's just another hoop or two that you have to jump through because of the way Highlevel has this designed. But once you get it logged in, you'll get access to this community here. Okay. Now, whenever you do that, you're going to click here. You're going to go directly to this learning tab. Okay. The learning tab is where all of the courses are, all the freebies, everything that you need is in here. So right now, when you do this, I do have a little just getting started if you're new here, but here is the Highlevel Snapshot course, and I'll show you that in a minute because I know this is a big one. A lot of people like to download the snapshots because I have a lot of them in here, but the one I'm looking for today is this one right here, the Highlevel Getting Started 30-Day Action Plan for Success. Now, I wanted to do this because I keep seeing more and more people sign up, and I really want to prevent people from dropping out of Highlevel because they don't have a step-by-step guide and then not only a step-by-step guide, but feeling confident that you know that everything is set up because somebody has shown you what you need to do, pointed all the points out, go here, do this, go here and do that. Be sure to check these places, go and do all this. And now you're good to go. And let me show you how to put all this stuff together. So that's why I'm building this course so that you guys can sit back and really benefit from this. Now, I was really thinking about making this course just for my affiliates only, but I didn't want to do that. I want to be able to share this course out with everybody because I want to make sure that those people that sign up for Highlevel, that you have at least a good plan, something that you can go to, because I know there's a lot of people out there who promise to help you out with a bunch of things, and they seem to help you out with one or two things, but never really set up and have your whole business in mind. So right now, the whole goal of this course is to get you from 0 to, I'm not going to say 100% on this because I can't guarantee 100%, but I really want to get you from at least 0 to 80%, which I think is the majority of the way. Get you 80% of the way there, and you're going to have to put in your own sweat equity, and the course goes through all that. I can't do the stuff for you. I can't build your business for you. But what I can do is help you, show you the process that everybody in Highlevel pretty much goes through to get their business set up, what kind of resources they have, how they set up their automation inside of their business, things like that, just to make you successful. So anyway, that's the reason why I created this. And I hope you really enjoy it because this has taken me hours and hours to get this thing at least set up, configured. And there are, again, more items coming here as I get them finished and make sure we dot our I's and cross our T's. But if you go ahead and click on this 30-day action plan, what it's going to do, it's going to open up and just basically take you to a course. And again, this course we just have the first lessons here. Please go through the intro, has things like access to this 30-day making money with GoHighlevel action plan set. This is a document that I give you just as a document based. For those people that like to go through and see things from a higher level, I'm providing this Google document for you as well. Inside of the training, it's inside the intro here. But again, I'm going to go through and set up all of these things inside of one, getting your agency account set up. Again, the course is built to only allow you to work on your business for a couple of hours every day. Now, I can sit back and jam pack all this and say, yeah, spend 16 hours your very first day going through and configuring all this stuff. And all you're going to do is just go brain numb and probably start drooling a little bit here out of all the stuff that you need to have done. So right now, I wanted to break this up into bite-sized chunks where you can do one day, a couple of hours, very easy and willing to do. Here's 2 or 3 things that you need to get done today. Next day, here are 4 or 5 things that you need to get done. They may be a little bit easier, but I'm going to give you more of them to do. And then when you move to like day 3, day 4, each one of these are going to be slowly side by side. Now, if you're an action taker and you want to just sit back and just crush day 1 to day 5 all in the first day, that's going to be up to you. I can't tell you how to go through the course. I'm not going to limit you inside here of what you can do. But what I wanted to do is make sure people don't get overwhelmed when it comes to the technical aspect of high level. That's where I see people really getting freaked out. It's just they don't know the technical aspects. So right now we need to be able to provide some time to allow you to absorb what you're doing, why you're doing it, and how you're doing it, because this is a learning process as well. Whenever you learn how to do this, you will understand how high level works and then be able to better support your clients and explain it to them whenever you're selling your particular packages. So right now, again, this is the first 7 days that I've got right now. I will open this up to, again, the rest of the 30 days as they become developed. But I at least wanted to offer this and get this out there for those people that want to at least get started, get signed up, and get going on this. So right now, if you're taking a look here, let's just say we want to go to day one. Right now, there is training here in the video. There could be other things that you get down here that from the text instructions about step 1, step 2. Right now, there's a couple of things in here, like for instance, this is like getting your payment processor set up. So this is a very important thing to get that done so that you can start selling things and making money inside of high level. So some of the things I don't teach you 100%. Some of it, I will give you a link to the particular site or a GoHighlevel help article, or I may even refer you to another YouTube video that I have on my channel where I've already covered all that. So I'm not duplicating my efforts as well. So I hope that makes sense, but go ahead and sign up for this. If you have not, go to the saasjumpstart.rayodaniel.com. Again, the link is in the video description here, but go here. If you've already signed up, then no problem at all. Just go to the portal.rayodaniel.com, and then that will take you to the Jumpstart community. And then from this Jumpstart community here, you will have access to, again, here is where all of the community discussion posts are. So right here it is, and then go to learning, please. This is where everything is. A lot of people just don't understand where the courses are in the training, but inside of here, go to learning. This is where all of the courses are. Now, I did mention I'll show you just a high level snapshot. This could be like a double bonus for those people once you actually get your business set up using the action plan set up. If you choose to go and you want to use some of my snapshots here, you have access to them. They're all free for this one here. There is reputation management. I've got a couple of niche ones that I've done on my YouTube training for HVAC, auto detailing, landscaping, and then a real estate agent snapshot. For, again, if you're going to be picking these snapshots, my whole goal is just it's again, not to get you to 100%. I just can't do that. Okay. Nobody really can, except for you, because you're the business owner. But what I can do is give you resources that will at least maybe get you 60%, 70, or even 80% of the way there. And that's a lot of work that you don't have to do in order to get you to the point of being able to just finish the remaining 20, 30%, and then get these things out into the world, start selling them and start making money. Again, quick. Speed of implementation is key, which is why I'm creating all these courses, snapshots, and everything else so you can learn, absorb, and get everything that you need from me to help you be successful. Now, the only thing I simply ask is if you do look to upgrade, if you're looking to sign up for high level, please use my affiliate link in the course below. That's how I get compensated. If you're looking to upgrade from the 97, 297 to the Agency Pro, please use my upgrade link in here. You get all of my additional affiliate bonuses, which I'll go through and show you quickly here in my affiliate community, but you get access to all of that. You get access to me to help you out. And it really does help me out as well. Likewise, if you're going to be setting up your AI employee, that's another benefit that I have. And again, I'll have my affiliate code in the video description as well. But right now, just to let you know, my affiliate code is just my name, Ray O'Daniel, RayODaniel. That's the affiliate code if you're going to be setting up AI employee. That again is another benefit. If you've already at the Agency Pro and you're looking to sign up as an affiliate, you get all of my bonuses if you sign up using the AI employee using my affiliate code as well. Now, the one thing that you will have to understand is that if you do sign up with AI employee, you will have to send me an email to let me know that you've done that. I'll have to manually check and get you signed. There's not really automation yet built into high level for that particular sign up because it's still relatively new. So hopefully that makes sense. Now, inside of the 30-day action plan here, that was just my little spiel. So please just keep me in mind if you're looking to upgrade, because I really want to help you out. I'm giving you all the free resources and I'm just really trying to be helpful for you. So right now, here are just some of the very basic high level things that you need to focus on that this course will go through: getting your agency account set up, your sub account, choosing your niche, creating, configuring service plans. What are you going to sell? I did a video about that earlier this week in the series. Setting up your website funnel to sell services. You're going to need automation. And that's the whole point of doing this. You can't scale unless you have that. And I actually I give you a free funnel that I give out to people that allows you to sit back and show you all the steps and then easily plug in your calendar, your onboarding form, things like that, so that you at least have a funnel to go real quick and get these things set up. Set up and configure your AI. Okay, I've done a lot of videos on AI here, but I can definitely help you get either AI voice, your conversation AI, workflow AI, review AI, any of those things in the AI employee set up. So again, please remember me when you sign up for the AI employee about the affiliate. I do really appreciate that. And then moving forward here, getting your leads imported into high level. So if you're already moving in or you're coming in from another business, how do you move your leads in? And again, this could also be if you're looking to do cold emailing, which again, I also go over in this course as well. how to start doing some marketing, cold email marketing and stuff like that to help you out with your business as well as one way of being able to attract customers, not the only way. And then from there, start contacting your leads regarding your services and start selling them. So hopefully that makes sense to you. So go ahead and get signed up here. And oh, I did say I would show you the affiliate community. So right now inside of here, I do have, if I go to groups, there is an affiliate community. So if you do sign up for Highlevel under me, you will automatically get access to my affiliate community. This is, again, if you sign up and use my referral code for the AI employee, you also get access to this. Sorry about that. So right now you will get access to this community. And again, if you go to the learning tab, you will get access to, again, to all of the things that you had access to before, but then you get access to my bonus and training. You do get access to my cold email outreach snapshot. I do sell that independently for $297 for those people that just want to get it set up. If you're interested, again, I sell it. You can build it yourself. I have a whole video on my YouTube channel that I go through step by step of what's included. But if you don't want to spend a day, a couple of days getting all of this set up, configuring it and doing it yourself, then just buy the snapshot and just get it set up in a few hours. People have just told me it's so easy just to get this put in place and then plug in some of the things that you need to plug in. And then boom, you're up and doing cold email in a matter of a few hours. And you don't have to worry about configuring all this stuff or knowing how to make the connection points between all the workflows, calendars, email responses, and things like that for the cold email system. So all of these things is what you get when you join the affiliate program. Again, these are my bonuses and you get access to me through the affiliate group. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. I really hope you're going to sit back and implement this action plan because this is very important for those people that are just getting signed up for Highlevel. Or if you've been struggling with Highlevel, maybe you don't go through the whole course. Maybe you sign up and just go through, you don't even go to week 1. Maybe you go to week 2 or 3 and plug yourself into what step of your business that you need this help and support. But again, just remember me, if you're looking to purchase Highlevel, get signed up, upgrade, sign up for the AI employee, all of that stuff, use my link in the video description below. I do appreciate it. I want to thank you so much in here. And if you found this useful, helpful, click on the like button, leave me a comment. I appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, hook me up, hit subscribe. I do a lot of videos every single week for the purpose of helping you be successful in Highlevel. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.